A Cybertruck owner was seen using FSD in some off-road situation, which shows us that driving by vision can work even in some untrained environments. The owner took his Cybertruck off-road and enabled FSD. The truck was able to navigate the road without any problems. It avoided mountain bikers and turned properly with zero training in those environments. What are the odds? Cybertruck's FSD could be trained to rock crawl and tolerate water crossings in future. The truck drove the owner 1 mile up a logging road. Clean enough path. No barriers or markings, just a wide enough path. It drove up a lot faster than we would drive given an unfamiliar dirt path. This is where Tesla FSD really shines, to show how confident it is, even off-roading. Not some German autobahn with lane line markings driving in a straight line behind other traffic.